Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can link your bank account with your Binance. So first of all, if you are on your application of Binance, you want to go ahead and click at the top left corner on that profile, and then you want to click settings at the right corner, which is the gear icon. Now after this you want to scroll down until you see payment and click on payment methods. Now as you can see, there is cash payment methods, which once you click on it, I see nothing here, but maybe you will see that you can add a card. But to add a bank account, you want to click on P2P payment methods. Once you've done that, you want to click add a new payment method. And from here, you will be able to choose a bank. And after that, you will be able to add your account number and confirm it. So that's where you can add your bank account. Another way to basically use your bank account is to just add funds, deposit it, and after that you will be able to choose SEPA payment via bank transfer. You want to click on it, enter the amount you want to go ahead and credit, and then you will be redirected to a third-party platform, Paymonade, and then you're gonna use your bank account.